Wow, I bought two types of cables, and here is the first one, and it works properly. Let's see. It's charging as iPhone as well iOS. There is two different connectors here, so we put it off, and here is the magnetic cable. It has special pin, and instructions says that I need put this way. So there is nothing happened. No charging. I can connect, disconnect. Nothing happened. Okay, I'll focus on screen. Oh, sorry. Just have problem with my tripod. There is no charging. Well, actually, sometimes this part started to heating very intensively, and well, it's a bit warm now, but as a fact, it's not charging. And here is again. Let's put a cable without magnetic. Put here, and here we are. Okay, I need to here. That's it.